Services. We have received great feedback and reviews from our clients. We are located at Seven Sisters in Tottenham on the 4th floor of the Anna House, right on top of the Victoria Line train station for your utmost convenience. We have a friendly office and provide all of the refreshments necessary while you wait to see a lawyer. We are dedicated to our clients and have a successful record of serving our clients. Solicitors of England and Wales are of high quality and are bound by the highest professional standards. We are officers of the court and are bound by standards of integrity, competence and conduct as part of our responsibility to uphold rule of law. Our solicitors and lawyers care about your case and are committed to providing the best possible service to you in the most considerate and careful manner. We hold 2 Law Society quality marks. Law Society accreditation helps to demonstrate that we have attained the requisite standard in the area of law and have the requisite expertise. Bwf Solicitors, we're here to help you with your legal services when you need us. Bwf Solicitors, we take pride in our client service. As a niche law practice, we are conscious of the demands of our clients. We always offer a friendly, listening ear and sympathetic attitude. We've worked with thousands of people all across the UK in all areas of personal legal services. We have received great feedback and reviews from our clients. We are located at Seven Sisters in Tottenham on the 4th floor of the Anna House, right on top of the Victoria Line train station for your utmost convenience. We have a friendly office and provide all of the refreshments necessary while you wait to see a lawyer. We are dedicated to our clients and have a successful record of serving our clients. Solicitors of England and Wales are of high quality and are bound by the highest professional standards. We are officers of the court and are bound by standards of integrity, competence and conduct as part of our responsibility to uphold rule of law. Our solicitors and lawyers care about your case and are committed to providing the best possible service to you in the most considerate and careful manner. We hold 2 Law Society quality marks. Law Society accreditation helps to demonstrate that we have attained the requisite standard in the area of law and have the requisite expertise. Bwf Solicitors, we're here to help you with your legal services when you need us.
Yeda ya mami Prophetess Doreen Asimpaibo a wabehwiegu ifidie hai ne yeda ya nua be manso Dr. Ren nso ase ene twede ampon Nyankopon adom yasan abehie ifidie mu biom yede asida kese ede be ma no yeda na ase na senia munim no nuanom ne adofo mesan ema munyina atu asan abaji and radio dwumedi a edu efie de bia na ye ne yem papa anase yen edwumayefoi Bwf Solicitors yen lawyers akese edi dwumei me mamu nyina kwa aba mo ana mutie fiti morning show ni nyina mamu nsori mfi efidie no ho yesan abetoa so ye de legal hour na eba na nsɛmsɛm adedada makoma so ɛwɔ liga ho anase ɛwɔ emre ho ɛwɔ kuromu ha asetenemu enkratasɛm ɛne edwumemu ne nneɛma nyina yɛsan bɛ papa pepe mu amamo biom yɛsan bɛ kyerɛkyerɛ mu yɛsan bɛ mamu ehu nneɛma ɛkɔ ɛwɔ efikasie mu eye home office nyoma konsisan aba nyoma esese wo ye nyoma ense se wo ye omo akwentufuo mo abeka ha mo pese mo koye mbie borders chese nyoma bebre na ane Nyankopon adom ye betumi nam ebefa yem papa Uncle Ben so na wa be papa ne nyina mu amamo enti mamu nko bebia mo ntwem be fidie ye de dwumedie ne isha asisi amema obibia good morning, very good morning to all my lawyer listeners out there. Oh baby, we are by very good afternoon to you. It's a enumerenso edwa and a very good evening to you. Please join us on Legal Hour with Bwf Solicitors GN Radio this time every Friday between the hours of 9:30 to 11 or 11:15. Bia yishimwa ha ene be 11 pepe ye di anu besi inti se owo if a question be ya no abe muntem se ne be ya agore be contemtem tie ye ko straight away na yakohu yem papa yen waste time cry your questions be bre egu ye nima last week yen to me answer nti ene se ne agro ne be ko Misremo monya abotre ma me se ne agro ne beko ne se nyame adom na obi frɛ baako a na maka yen text message baako se ne yebenya fair share meka ne se yebenya fair share ya na me ma callers no dosu saa na afi omo de messages na ban me ntumi ankan ya na yese omo me ndi ambo omo enye obi na ebenya call ne mu kwan nti obi wo ha no asene ne voice message ana se text message e de aba se ne be ya ono nso ye be ma ne moaye nkrofo bebre na ewo problems ewo saa nsemsem nti no se wo ba so na wo gina so a na se me kan message a ya nya abotre kakra na gina so me kan message ni wie na yem papa Uncle Ben eyi ya no pe mema wo kwan na wonso wakasa nti meda mu nyina se na yen die America enko ahoma ne so yen se America yenko ahoma so yen kochia yen papa Uncle Ben. Good morning, Uncle Ben.
Oh, good morning, Manya. I'm what to say.
Adumo ni ahwe yi nyankopon adobie nyina ye ho ye na mpacho wonso
Yeah, ho ye papa.
Ena ye di sama pa na. Ewia ne bosa na osisi ho a efi frɛ to kra otumi de yeti no.
I no cre pa.
Ne nyina echi no
ye. No cre.
Abedu efidie mu ha enti Uncle Ben ne de yense mrekrakra menkase pi mema ho kwan na uchecha wadofo ni etiefo na afedie odi ene message a owo ma yen first education odi ma yen wi ana afeye ya to aso efre honom enti mpacho wadaroma me de ekwan amawo
ayo amichia etiefo ne enuanom nyina say first of all you better nyame asese wama de paache yebeda GN radio ana wo manye ane mia menua ketwa Dave da mu nyina ase aseda kese no nso koma T4 ne wona wo hwe yen sabio yenyamo anka agrowing kenya de wom say yen chekere de ba mo ana mutimi efren krofo ba mo behwe enti ya se na beto aso no da mu nyina ase mebisa mo sa mo share videos no na obuya onti obia sabio ti baby onimu pose Ghana for lawyers wo baby onti minti na yenyina yemfa afutu no and then adia may no say may round up of the legal issues first of all no adia say wiki mo etaba pa covid kofo bebre bisa say na yakoka Ghana obi wo a beba pa bia wakoka Ghana na the indefinite no eso 28th of this month I think which is Sunday onu mu na akoka Ghana man 3 years into within 6 years no ba owo Ghana enti obi bisa say nipa say owo Ghana then na obetimi aye first of all no there will be a friend of entry clearance into me entry clearance for indefinite leave to enter. OSHA requirements now. Exceptional leave. Almost 3 years in the so situation here the mouth that's so maybe a year and a bat and uncle maybe our shamana yarebi. After 6 years, would me apply for indefinite leave to remain. Ain't me pay our Ghana ya sabi untimi may because Ghana border na yatum no obet me apply for indefinite leave obey an online application there be untia IHS because we ba for indefinite IHS no regulation na omo mutua aye obi a oba has 6 months and over until obi a oba has 6 months and over no utia omo ye exempt aye soldier for asylum seekers EU4 diplomats na de keka ho but so who apply for indefinite leave to enter and indefinite leave to remain wuntia IHS no ade nso a nkrofo bisa bebre no say mo a yamamo 2.5 no started 2012 and mo amunya amode 2012 no because started July mo beso indefinite leave no so mo switch ya another 10-year rule to indefinite leave no ebeso 2022 kofo bibisa bebre bisa say lawyer I was here English na say I was more English no there's a difference I'm last me explaining ya one what discretionary leave. I'm not a 3 years, 3 years. For me, English, no. But so English requirement and as indefinite leave for almost 120 months, no. Our FM route now. English and a life in UK and so can ti mutimi start bobo life in UK ne de embu obetimi aye ne sisia but English no after 2 years no when you so a ewu enti tobo na twen akaba 1 year na waya utimi ye because sabio enya ye nyina na yetimi ka brofo obi wo ho ana ne brofo no me ntwa yi enti adesua no so nkoyi enti bi take na wow ansa na waye. The other issue so me raise say last week me bosso Nkrofo are very worried about no recourse ne fee waiver no. Nkrofo be brave feel say oh yeah adwuma wintimi apply. And first of all, 2 policies. Baako no recourse and baako fee waiver. Fee waiver no the concept be by a friend no affordability concept. Affordability concept no. Ase nyina ne say in addition to say obi a oya destitute and are potentially destitute and obi onya destitute onya potentially destitute or exceptional requirements because if you are yare phobia na hwa akola bi ntini ntimi nya adwuma but obabiti obi hwe no kakrakra but ohia say obinya either the fee waiver or no recourse to public funds and CB fee waiver no the requirement for affordability ne say Ubetimi aye adwuma ye £2,000 a month. But ye share waketua na any expenditure now. So we share section 95 of the Asylum Act of the 1999 Asylum and Immigration Act now. Omo define sa niema aye necessary. I don't know what spending ska wo ho a affect wo application. First in the accommodation and a near my far accommodation because all accommodation are with your council tax, with your bills, utility bills, gas, water, electricity. What is here? We say to sewage in addition to water bill, no, we say to your sewage bill, which is almost the same as a water bill. Because we calculate a pipe and you know ubuno and no ana a fat gata ni bunti and also utia. And to say money you allowed. Maybe to say telephone, TV license, and also you're allowed. Now about what expense? Bibi a friend of grooming ye you tea, mamu ye muti, sabio a reasonable expense. Ain't because we ye utia. So we'll spend it, our bar will spend a month, we'll spend £400. Clearly, that really cannot be a reasonable expenditure. Because Sabio a tea no yes, so bet me out of Brazilian and now the kikaka hono, but no expenditure you allow. And kola one expenditure, baby to say child care expenditure more allow. Kola school uniform, school dinners, and any money allowable expenditure. Also no way I do ma expenditure bit to say what transportation cost and as a car utia for car, hire purchase and as a lease, petrol, oil, screen washer, and it's a allowable expenditure. Miss Remo, idea you who say, you won't crofo be or then a bank statement in a bepano. Nabusumi be our commanding my £300, £200, £150. Why no sir, so we have a 6 months bank statement anymore. Say, oh yeah, and as far as someone we are concerned, just say, what share at Dasso, and Tiwunya be a man Ghana. Or because you're a lawyer, say, me fat bank account for na me yes, I transfer any free more. I may affect me, Anna. First of all, we here with fee waiver, and now we with no recourse now. Form now be failing. You will be a friend declaration. Who declare say information now would you gusuno? Ningina ayano correct. Miss Ramo, obi our bank account be a ukromuhano. Home office, because almost our credit file either at Experian and as Equifax and any of the other related credit reference agency. No, and the ombe who scans a womb. because filling form ni nyina no o ma mo permission say o mo ntimi nko bank o mo ntimi nche credit reference and sa niam no but ade a very dangerous and say u be twan throw form no so no almost say santron wu twa e betimi affect wo main application no because kai say we fee waiver no the process no under section 39E of the immigration rules no a application process no to we have paragraph 34 the case application now process no fee waiver application no application process no and so we try and throw a fee waiver now omo fan say why application ma watch and throw to call part 9 of the immigration rules so part 9 nyina issues about general grounds for refusal part of it na deception misrepresentation and I say we bibi now the age leave as I don't know enye no correct yes your cases wo etimi eje say a innocent mistake because last 3 weeks me can about innocent misrepresentation and now innocent mistake in the case of Nigeria in the case of Pakistan versus Secretary of State for the Home Department, Court of Appeal, and AA Nigeria, Upper Tribunal, our say innocent mistake, a reasonable excuse, I intimate for misrepresentation. But so who account to her now would declare form no so now see me account am won nyina Barclays, Wabra was Santander, and Halifax, and any other bank na e wo appear say mistake no enye or the all can mistake, and yet genuine mistake, a bit my misrepresentation and I said deception, a bit me affected. The other part, and also I'm a person be a hono, a now it keep cause a lot of confusion. Do na omo could digana because you for us you only ha but in Crawford asote ha. Adia do na person munu say lawyer. Mena me wo Maji me yere ene me mat na ha maji me nua ana me maame ne papa na UK but me say no makopie ka Ghana because of COVID then na I was a me because lawyer ye ti de bia wo ka bibi your friend a specified date lawyer will say 11 p.m. 31st of December 2020 so our reference point no it me affecting yema be brain ti lawyer then na menye. First of all, no document the fact say Ghana because of COVID. Into will be news curtains. Your president and announcements are somebody ya tum for 4 weeks, ya tum for 5 weeks. Ubetimia, yes, our news curtains no save and are printed. That is one. Two, so will be our immigration or immigration obetimi amount may sure say more directives, special directives. And I say obetimi I hear government policies and our more guidance and regulation now for COVID now. Amendment law now no obetimi keep nyina sana dachi piano oba woyere ana wukum ana wo mo no your application and affect you because mo EU for na mundi 5 years wa ha no mo amoye EU abusuafo amundi 5 years wa ha no se wukotna outside UK for more than 12 months affected with continuity of residence. So wukotna outside for more than 6 months in any 12 months affected application. The only exemption or outside because of yare, because of military service, because of a war, because of addition. And I also say because of COVID, because COVID, a natural disaster be atu ye nyina and intini a crew be wa oma to omo bodem enti e affect ye nyina enti e was all documented sad no. Na obi baby say lawyer me EU ni me ne mpena ete but ya ka kire me say mintimi nye application for EUSS no obi a we durable partner bia no durable partner na ye EU for durable partner and ye British for omatna EU amo sign omachi aba eno so ye wo durable partner British for no durable partners no case law aba na nsen ama home office assessment law no enti we are British ni na oti outsider now sign which aba under the chain principle which made the Yoruba but Se nipa no nye wo durable partner by the withdrawal date aye January this year. O British ni no wuntimi nye. But EU ni die obi ye wo durable partner and I say obi ye wo extended family member out kromo ha e wo say we paper application. Those are the issues and pay me person me raising to be a question bia obetimi de aba na yato aso.
Yo, Uncle Ben, yedase. Sa COVID and aftermath in SMP ne peja intino. O cheche mu say maya na yetumi ate asie yi. Listeners, Miss Remo, ye bie telephone lines no edi atum. Number side di dwumani 0203 735 8820 and I say 0203 2800185. Here were two WhatsApp message phone numbers I to me and so edi dwumano ba ko 077 879 39958 and about 075 966 20154. Mr. Ubetimi ja voice note mebo ama and I say o friends so ebedi so Uncle Ben we dey
yes
near o kan COVID. My first question am say related to sa COVID asemi anti no me bosso sisia na yenko yenim me nua be me say pacho me kan message no wa ha or say I am good morning Uncle Ben. I am assisting a widow who to date has only been able to obtain a so-called signed interim death certificate. The full name of the certificate is as follows: Coroner's Certificate of Coroner's Certificate of the Fact of Death. Pursuant to Regulation 9 of the Coroner's Investigation Regulation 2013, the husband died from coronavirus and she needs her 2.5 years also extended, but she is not sure what to do. Can this certificate be used with the Set O application, bereaved spouse, or shall I wait for the standard death certificate? Uncle Ben, with them first question or no?
Okay, well, first of all, no, say yakasi bereaved partner. First of all, your requirements be a what the say we bereaved partner. To bereaved partner, you'll be a wapa kromoha nikum anani rinchi no buy. And now wo kromoha no ware ne yire anani kum niamano spousal visa. Spousal visa no under either FM no ningina a spousal visa. Into the first requirement and said I was a spousal visa. Okay. The next requirement and said I was a UK. The next requirement and say I was a UK and sana Bermano and our bano ewu. Enti says Sanya Mammy and saying, our evidence at the time no now still a year and a kunwa or qualify for indefinite leave to remain. Now say Yenuya minim so your bana a Berma or bisa say Yamano coroner's certificate. Coroner's certificate no usually no a ba after doctors are certified say ubi ewu and sana coroner's certificate naba. And yet the death certificate there, but doctors may issue death certificate. And once a doctor na issue your friend be a friend of form MH100 no MH100B no so form no and then a coroner no use to the issue ni coroner certificate. Anytime a coroner involving any death no naturally say death no either say by natural causes and I say almost suspicion. It doesn't mean say obi na eku nipa no. It means say nipa na bia wenwu hospital a sudden death, a suspicious death and I wenwu because of natural causes. And into coroner no bem. Usually no be no be a complaint case back one year you see mama be no worry brony and I koba say mama na worry brony no brony no ma nti papa no wu ye no wu fie no the man reporter some for say mama na wa ha papa no eventually na e ba say enye mama no wa ye ana a coroner no a release body no anom ko nti coroner certificate no yes, ubetimi use as evidence of death because coroner na yen certificate no after doctor as certify say nipa na wu. Into be say within the coroner certificate no almost state say na ya almost one ka say nipa na wu. Almost state facts ni nyina.
Okay, we dey me that say. Yo, order for me won say oh ahoma ne so ma me 1 second me ba. Na me say didi dwuma me dey atudwa 0203735880 and say 020328600185. Dwuma di aye di Bwf Solicitors Legal Hour with GN Radio na ye gu so me a me kase me psra me din di manya na ten. Bwf Solicitors se ni amunim no de bibiara no ihia wa ha Friday bia na din sem say ya e de abremo before the end of the program no bebo mode atro mo kira kwan say ohia emwa bi e wo legal matters mu a bomode anako hu omo 7 Sisters tube station ne soro pepepe yo into me first caller. Oh say when to me engina so when engina so the main kind me next question on yenko many abema see dear lawyer, please, I am filling online application form to extend my 2.5 years spouse visa under Appendix FM FLR M. Okay, I came across the following questions about non-applying children. Do you have children? I said yes. So I filled my British child details. After that, it came to other non-applying children. I started to fill in the details of my other non-applying children who is in Ghana and never been to UK. But there was a question about when he entered UK, including date. What should I do? The non-applying children is it referring to only children in the UK or both children in UK and Ghana? Uncle Ben Pacho, the question here.
Where you be our application our UK to UK non-applying children no. The only time I will be a non-applying child and I say only one our application or no only be to ma omo UK.
Okay, teacher say okay kwalam kwa. Yay. Nanka we di omo nyina aka ho ase nanka wenya omo nkrata na nyina nso de aba preko. You
say obi apply for outsider who apply who use entry clearance and our day.
Okay then. You yo, my next question na me can say making kind of questions need to do now. Also Uncle Ben, I am a social worker assisting a disabled father and a wife and children in Jamaica. What law or practice direction or case law which can be used to ask the tribunal in bracket FTT to make a direction requesting the notice of decision is filled by the respondent? We have an appeal family of 6. Mom received NOD and one child received NOD aimed for the 5 children. Appeal was submitted. However, the tribunal duty judge has requested, quite rightly, for the appellant to file all individual NOD for all 5 children. However, she says she never received them. Then na obetumi aye we nso ne question or the abanono Uncle Ben.
Well, I mean, first of all, no, first year FTT, first year tribunal.
Okay.
And NOD, notice of decision. Meaning the interview which you trying to short, notice of decision, Home Office, decision now. Both under the 2006 regulation, under the 2003 regulation, and under the 2013 notices regulation. No?
Okay.
I was saying Home Office, Emma notice of decision, and Emma reasons for refusal. Notice of decision, reasons for refusal. Okay. I part of the requirements notices regulation is CNP. So Home Office Mao decision I was saw the Mao. It seems any way I appeal. I didn't. Miss Sirina Aerofono. It seems Nipa way I appeal without the notice of decision. The notice of decision, I official notice. And on idea can say you refuse your application under paragraph so and so. you either have a right of appeal or you don't. Adia or one reasons for refusal. I don't know, a stated dentia, refusal application. So only notice of decision. Some judges say bimubekase notice no appeal no defective because we need complete information. But the pay bisa say obede catch us a judge no say judge no force home office no na among disclose notice of decision no so no etimi aye appeal. But judge no mu I'm so more kase if there is no notice of decision now then untimi nya appeal. But sometimes no obetimi aye appeal na we treaty absence of notice of appeal no as a preliminary issue under the first year tribunal regulation or more amended no nansen I think so the latest amendment year 2018 and you wait me a catch a court and say on using the case management powers under the procedural rules now on farmer directions because once a entry clearance say even a visitor's visa crana or human rights or right of appeal. To once a year entry clearance, say in your points based system, I don't know, or review per administrative reviewer, not a year for family application or appeal. Ultimately, as explaining our grounds of appeal, no say all those who need notice of decision. Notice nankasa no a defective. Case law say Home Office serve any notice na and comply with the notices regulation 2003 na notice near regulation na it is deemed say Home Office any decision which means our application also a pending but when you're interested say in the legal terminology say the application a pending because notice near defective and your pen say then call on what Jamaica so what you do is what the person has done you appeal but in the grounds of appeal you ask the Home Office the court say on you the case management powers under the procedural rules. Now, farmer direction, say Home Office emphasize notices. I mean, some bold judges will do it, and if they don't do it now, obetime you use the same rules na use upper tribunal. You can compel them. Upper tribunal case law say sometimes say first year tribunal. Appeal invalid that itself may constitute a grounds of appeal because any error of law na ultimate appeal or ubetimi aye bibi a friend of cut judicial review ama eno why judicial review but they are bit costly but clearly all grounds are ubetimi di aye
yo uncle Ben me da sinin chechemu yenyo odofo bi wo ahoma so me first caller of this morning on odofo mpacho ahoma so ye fra say na o kase free hin
says good morning me pacho me kase free bohan
yo mami
pacho we fra me cousin bi na o application bi
but my voice in Costro Kakrama me why?
Pacho, me cousin be or ye application be. No my emailing is mama ground to win the amano. But na kausi or remember say how many days and sana will be on a cardinal. Then come Pacho me be a lawyer.
Where the me answer, mammy. Onya sa let email na o kind ko a check kakra na say next email krabeba said they post the card within the next 5 to 10 working days inti onya abotre obenya card no why
catch you
Uncle Ben my idea
why are there papa what ben
yo mami inti why bye yo yan koso say unya email na one to was young kind nyina ya na we miss some of the information ne was so ba ya ni je ni nti to was na won kan nti ya mu hwe mu ye kakra mu behu any hidden information bi a mo pa kire yo ye nya ye next call and so memfa I hope say be me lawyer keke hello kolampa chowa homa se fro se na ka se free
oh good morning status. Now our bar with the I think with the 18 or with the 19. And to also be say because the bar no only 21 no. To say no be to me apply man na when you settled status and under the EU regulation no. And but currently in the ban waha under the private life or yaman 2.5. And see, yeah, that's the question really.
Okay, Uncle Ben, I hope so. Okay.
On the first part, no, but I assume so will be EU Nienya indefinite leave to remain. Nebaya under 21. And you be says and the ban bit me apply for indefinite leave. Answer yes. Go appendix EU or both EU 3 and then EU 14. Nina obetimi agina so e apply for indefinite leave no. Factors I was somewhere say akola na family member or under 21 na we gina so no dey an application.
Okay, me jidi say keke Betsy e wo radio ni mo. Na okay, Uncle Ben, or patch so a Zambrano holder. Now when you status set
one is Zambrano holder.
KK one is Zambrano holder no.
After maybe 5 years on it into my almost settled status, but almost bar on the 21. Then to me, I settled status amana na under EUSS or EU regulation no. Because our finance say no war ni 2.5 on the family on an own private life for UK.
Okay.
Manya, I just say okay. Because no breaking I meant it.
Okay. Or Patre said, ne mammy ni papa ni nyina kita Zambrano. Na Zambrano so no ya manu 2.5. But yes. To me akwaji settled status ni bi amana na.
Akwala no 2.5 na chese o 10-year route no. I know nya Zambrano. Zambrano ya ma 5 years. Enti na 2.5 no the amana no. Because or above 18 possibly. And I was so disu on to me Zambrano so.
Okay, cake and pachote, dear.
There be
see what radio anymore. Why?
Match make you.
Sana Uncle Ben, and only 21 or 2.5 nature so no 10-year route in so into me yet Zambrano and Mano.
No.
Okay. Uncle Ben, near all pattern I'm sorting. Say, on bet to me I settled status, ama palana
for the 5 children.
About me, I settled status. I'm man. Also, 2.5 and I'm more.
I'll see a money.
So, 2.5. It's got nothing to do with EU settled status. It's an absolutely different application. It will be under the FM route, under the immigration route, and clearly, no, I'm Zambrano. To me, use EU SS man. There be.
Because say, Opache, so my parent, no, I am settled status. Omwenya, omumie no nyina enyo settled status.
Omwenya indefinite leave.
Or see settled status, na or can.
Well, settled status.
Which is indefinite.
KK, say I will confuse me. Or when you're indefinite leave and now settled status, then near na oka.
Right. My apply for settled status as well. Your parents, they say I'm a fan now.
Okay, but Uncle Bertram will be say 2.5 near different application into on to me yet no.
I don't mean switch from there.
Uncle Ben, Opatra say, obey to me switch it from 2.5 no aba your parents ne ewoni biana.
Our parents no what indefinite leave.
Yes.
Akola na ye wono we he.
Keke akola na ye woni he. Ye wo akola no wo Ghana Uncle Ben.
Where dia he?
Osi owo under 21 years.
Where dia he? Yeah, because so you're above 18 now.
Okay. Keke where dia he?
Where the 18?
18. Uncle Ben where the 18?
But
okay.
Your Uncle Ben, ni enya technical way kakra. But Keke, I hope say utie from background now. Obeti ni Uncle Ben explain you know why.
Mate, me tea wo we so. Na if anything now next week now. After.
Bye bye. Yo, yenya odofo bi nso ahomane so. Hello, Kola Mpacho, ufrefre ni efra saying.
Hello.
Yeah, hello, Mpacho. My voice in Koso kakra ma me why?
Your Pacha, your friend Eric.
Okay.
Pacha, number me this Uncle Ben question. My name is free Germany na yeba na yesa na me mama pese or call back to Germany or get a German passport. The young kola miensa ba oba no housing association for a man or a dine yeni na ye team sia but or no call back to Germany no. Opesanka or transfer a dine back yen kolani dim. And that may be saying Ben say possible and a possible for what is the way forward.
You Uncle Ben.
But what do you have?
Maybe D 26 and I mean about D 23. And
I was sitting
there. Me sitting on the Mikita German passport. Me nearby Mikita German passport. And me Mikita German passport. But you buy any sir. There 15 years ago. But me say or sign call back to Germany. Not permanently, mom dear, but bit ma could be 1 year. But a diner housing association for the man, you know. Yeah, they call me mammy demo pay. Inti me corner on per se. You be free for your hunting or person could transfer a dine a back young colony game. Now, because say possible.
Yes, I am possible. And I was a monk colano nemo mamina more approach housing for no. Sometimes some more forms you the mammo. Now almost the more go dinosaurs are not more young colanti, namuntimin we now.
Me mammy buy and na yesu santino. Although near any adults into no a dini dear was so said me mammy no the main personal or that
Mumudin was so.
I didn't that's what in color.
Yeah, obey me as a son. Why?
Okay. Into yeah, put the house in for no send our can
Yes.
Yeah, more contact housing for no.
Okay, yo.
Uncle. Yes,
that's okay.
I'm sure. Bye-bye.
I'm sure one so. Yo, many about number end with 6044 Kafra with Naswache. Your friend send our casa free.
Me pacho, your friend is Sandra, me casa free South Kingdom.
Yo, mammy pacho bisawasem na yanko why?
Me pacho, me person bisa lawyers me mama best rame na COVID-19 no time I was all con went to Nyanko back to Ghana. Now an event and so be 5th July. Ma apply for extension a month now, but still I mean teaching free omo me free omo so omo see omo nya abotrena omo be send email notification. My concern kakra because me mama you be out to kwan and you me on say obe ebe kona yin so overstay na ebe affect no nti no I adwendwen kakra ma me na me pita lawyer say bibi o wa obe chere say yenya na
oh, mommy, apply for COVID when you be wrong.
Information about border no Ghana no.
Mommy, who apply for COVID extension ni be manana.
Me patcho ai.
Angmen patcho or apply.
Daben
na we.
Me patcho my almost a month now.
Almost a month now. Okay.
Oh yeah, no by email now we are no online.
Patcho oh yeah no email and by online. And
me online me call website no and I'm bring me notification in my email. Mama me confirm me email so.
Uncle,
so or call online no or no more send email notification.
Well, I think that itself is fine. So we are concerned now with me as I be nothing prevents you from doing it again. To bet me as I be why?
Obet me assign you why so we are so worried why?
Okay, intimate I be just for to be sure.
Yeah.
Let me patch now about the border in Ghana and so or any information
I won't be still. Yeah, train Nana. Why?
Me patch my that's it.
Bye bye. Yo, Sanya, aha GN Radio Bwf Solicitors Hour. Na yigusu yewa next question ewa main kind of quick nam yenko so before I make kind of Mr. Mo Facebook for Mr. Monchiche mon share na nkwa echichichi ene mon mami de ni nye seni amepe no mon che na nkwa echi kakra mami why na agro ne nye de yo next question I say does it mean Uncle Ben tama wo chechre we sikana ewo account mo na wo de apply for no recourse to public fund no nti obisa question ni say does it mean say question now on the park or say does it mean say evidence of sending money abroad you will find it difficult to apply to remove the no recourse to public funds and
yes anete ade na tene say the significant and sky mu edu ekofie na wotwe bosumi bia na seska no ye hwe sa 2.5 na ye de ma na 1 year na wadi wo so no seska no ye boaboa no na anka betimi atua wo home office fee na YHS fee ya na che se wo na wabo wo ho abro one save seska no fa nkotua home office fee ti sa no meka akira you know anya se wo sa obi o saniska bia na ye be penalize no so wo saniska now while calculating our NSS can our no over the relevant period man can bet me a bow now the tia with Trina. Amber is the issue. And to be our senis cabiana, yes, I am concerned. Say 1 year or bet me issue against you. ana woka so okay na anka na mi ko yiska no mu wo ban ho na me de akoya ano nso sometimes uta yiska regularly cash na ano nso mutimi bisa ho nsem say we would hear then we would hear there so explanation of course any problem but so we need explanation there na ekoye ade a betimi how
you Uncle Ben obeti yeah me nua ba Anita Owusum papa edu so your friend said now Pacho lower u fidie ne kakra ne tie from the phone why Pacho.
Hello.
Yeah, hello. Pacho ko meet you.
Yeah, Pacho from set. And Pacho me partner ya akola ba ko ono apply for in the fever and am ya grant no. And akola so ya apply bi amano. And say ya me ado no de akwara ndi no mana na me so mpese me apply bia san se me nya adwuma da na me nye me fina me ye no make me apply for free waiver ni bia na
apply mo
bia wo ya application bia no say application wo se wutua fee a na anya de a wo betimi atua either say woni bebete ana wo bebete ba woni sika wo dididi ana say baby a wote no ye betu wo ho ana say yare bi ana bibi wo abrabo mu nti ana say wo mo no wonya adwuma nti woni sika yes we bet me apply for fee waiver because of affordability test na abemu no
okay pachote
pachamite
okay yo nti Uncle Ben answer why hello
yes pachomoso
yeah na make us say Uncle Ben answer nti say eno ano no
pacha
yo yeah that's papa.
Okay.
Yo, bye-bye. Yo, my next question, Uncle Ben. I say good morning, Uncle Ben. Good morning, Manyeti. I say, my friend's child was born outside the UK, but since their parents were married and the father had a British nationality, the child acquired a British passport. The mother has a spouse visa and traveled to the UK with the child. Mother now has ILR about 2 years ago, but it has come a stage where the child was not for this British national due to DNA test after a marriage breakdown. Now the child's passport has to be renewed. Will this result affect the child's nationality as he has already acquired British nationality through his father already, or will the child be denied a renewal if the DNA test results is added on the application, or if the father's name is changed on the renewal? Your advice will be much appreciated, Uncle Ben.
Well, I mean, first of all, no, I'm saying, Ohimei, wawo na wawo ye no, or the na waware. Nti akola no wo no ne papa age British passport amano but say ne papa age British passport amano e kire no maami ehu say akola no papa na nya ne papa nti akola no so passport no mu ko renew nti o mbeje friend nsema na answer no ye dabi
okay
say o hear law na e fra bibi section 50A of the British Nationality Act 1981. So section no. Or say wo akola no papa eye wukun at the time no wawo no. Sa no maka.
Okay.
Enti either say obi edin egu birth certificate no. So ana say akola no papa kra ni din any birth certificate no so. Law no say once no waware papa no. Papa no ne ba ene sa akola no se sa na tie dia na akola no ye British nti all those se na akola no papa eye obi foforo no all those ne papa na maame ware no no ono no je British passport ba no because of section 50A of the British Nationality Act no sa akola no still ne papa and the British no nti obetimi akoso ekra ne British passport no wabra asembia enio
Yo, Uncle Ben, yeah, that's it. Wow, number 0273. Went to me and Jinaso Kakra, mammy. Yo, many other phobin so ahumani. So, hello, Colampacho, oh, free, na ye frozen.
Hello, good morning.
Good
morning. Within the Ajua, the free London.
Yo, mammy, Adrian Pacho, Bisawa Semni, uncle. Why?
Yo, Pacho, yo. One year, Pacho, good morning. So, here, dear.
Adomon Kwame, that's
Uncle Ben, Pacho, good morning.
Yes. Morning, Ajua.
Upon where?
Boko.
Yeah, there is was. And I know.
Me and Majuaniana.
I mean, who is here, but me, Professor, who the because you are
macho. I
don't pay the that I want your Pacho, made the BWF Get pa. Because we are beside encourage Mr. Richard Obehun. And Enra and I'm in your mabaye. My priest I did you for 4 good years, media qua. Na accident Kera, the me BWF when come the coy, no. Yamiadum and the Menyame status. It's me the accident see Edna radio is the BWF as a teacher. Mr. Richard in Cromania means Strano, Nejuma Palmo, and Coswa, and Fia Dumon Quadrumo, on Bomo home by no Mustica, some of BM and Ye, in Shirak, a safe here, I don't know, Miss Rama BWF. It is obit CMA, our radio swa. Now, say, Wakobe Biane, ya, me them make come for BWF Momo, even Okwa, the very welcome, or Mubi Bia, it's a very professional and quality service. Just the office alone, right, tells it all. And see, Asidan Kwan, I'm the Momo, Asidan Kwan, and see, the Momo, a very good weekend. So,
yo, Mammy Adria, yes, yeah, that's it.
Ajua, yeah, that's it, brave, yeah, that's a pa.
With that, bye-bye.
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 Yo. Sanya ye no we nyame adoma ye da so wan kom na do December ye be ye a special time ama ododro na omo nyankopon afa Bwf Solicitors for na omo asetina ayeyie no na omo mbedi adanse na ye ma adwuma no so enkoso yo nti adwa ye so ye dase for such a powerful recommendation a we ye guso ewa ha ye nko ye ahoma ne so next person adofo mpacho wa ahoma so ye fra osen na okase free
e pacho ye frame Mama Lucy.
Yo, ma Lucy Pacho bisa wasem ne anko why?
Pacho, asaba mpese le bisa ne say. Me ye me wo 2.5. Me the bad J. And I'm pese me switch ko 5 years. With me minimi kunga ya ware. Pacho uti.
Pacho me tie koso.
Minimi kunga ya ware ti me switch ko 5 years route no. And I'm pese me busa say me was kakra ewo my account na mpese me ye no recourse no pese me mo yi fi me so na me was kakra my account ma na nka me save me bi atwa me se me bedeje me ka bedeje hello
Pacho koso o man so koso
na me pese nka me de pe me deje mortgage na me ba se si a school o ko next year this year September no two fees no quite 3,500 a term. Number some me yes free river, number some books I say me free river now, bet to be a year free so mammy because me wo the car account me savings account.
Okay, Uncle Ben.
Well, first of all, so we application na fee na was utiano or amount to be our account to ma. So fee no, but I say savings na be cut was fee no. To we application for fee waiver. AB on grant or half, which is the home office fee, and I say IHS fee. No,
Pacho me free waiver. Pacho me free waiver. No recourse na person we free so mame.
Oh, I see. Now what switch your partner? How many no recourse in free so? Because over 5 years I am fat. You had no recourse to so. I just said who you sue BB a friend Jen. GE 3.1, I will go through the discretionary side. But already over 2.5 on the 10 years. And switch and yadi no recourse. Because part of the switch and I say, Moya Jumenya 18.6. And So 1860 no so na say we are self-sufficient. Now won't me no recourse no. Why?
If I show you.
Okay.
Now I show me adwuma or healthcare. Me a healthcare assistant. And part NHS no me part be say me busa ho asem kakra no mo say they say no mo yi ye na ye adwuma wo NHS no o mo hwe na o mama ye ntua NHS fees no. Some person me busa say o mo dey aba ye see am me application na me ntua na say still me tua.
Well, I mean, almost IFE, IHS fee waiver, and also almost a cancel. And I pay me check here. I mean, who link be? It may be say I was offer home office, and I will send you my email because it will be exempt. My code. At the moment, I mean, who link? But I bet me I call IHS and so payment side, you know. Now I had drop down. I said, "Oh my day, NHS phone I so man try no because I was me log in and some of my yes I don't know. No I say why?
If I show you, I show you me da mas pa nya me shira.
Yes, bye bye. Yo, mpacho wa number end with 0273 Kafra. Pacho edu so ye fra o say na ka se free.
Pacho me ha.
Yo, Pacho Bisawasem Nianko. Why?
Hello.
Yeah, hello. Wow, number end with 0273. No, I mean, no, Casa.
Okay. Pacho, Mema watching mammy, Mema, lawyer, and so action and a Pacho, lawyer, make us me beside some way, and mammy, we are Baba. I'm saying, Ninia, every moon, 19 year. Na Ninu no war Accra war 9 years. Na this year on per se Accra no okofa no baba te nam say nyo no ankasa ne ba no no say or be fine or be some difficulties. I don't know say Mr. Steven who say DNA everything aye possible na so person ya adoption na so me say ye papa chiri muda na so ko betimi achire mi mu say adoption no say ne etie na ekwanya ye betimi afa so aya obetimi e di akra na ba asomdwe mu aka be me de fa masemani nda wasi
yes
na nipa no asetena be no kra
Pacho nipa na asetena be no kra Papa Pacho was nipa na they are tuso anka mo they are tuso.
Okay, well, one cast it's now. First of all, so you EU near na ne brother bana ne extended family member. Ain't say proof say or mani akolano or sheno and a sani mana obit me akofanaba. So you're British and now indefinite leave. Now nye EU near. Na ne brother who no eja eba bana under 18 obit me I adoption. That is the fair process. And also bet me an application for Ghana normal friend or custody order. When you custody order now, because when you parental responsibility, no, bet me an application or the Akolana. But from between now, anytime I buy application, no, I also on the Akolani Dinkita home, on the Kasa, on any school Kasa, possibly or Tako Ghana, Kuhunu, whilst I'm more application for custody and I said adoption, no. And also, I was so Ghana. No, they are calling Yankee D and Sana. Wait me the number. And yes, I'll be your difficulties.
Okay, yo.
Yeah.
Okay, Uncle Ben. Obi was some patch on me 1 second. Me come a question. Why? Wait, say, say, I say good morning, please. If you have been given a pre-settled under the EU based on a British child, can you bring your children from Ghana? The first question, no.
First of all, obi a we Zambrano obi a wintimi mfa obi amfi outside them, but se nipa no ha de a o ya kola obetimi ayama no. Until the answer is no.
Okay, then, thank you. Hello, Kolampacho. Oh, ahoma so ye fra o se na o ka se free.
Hello.
Yeah, hello, Mpacho wa ahoma so ai.
Mpacho friend me kusi ampofo.
Okay, Mpacho bisa wasem.
But me busa Uncle Ben, my application more 2.5 years a spouse, a 5-year route as a spouse. Now, May will end of May, maybe up to beginning of May, but I call more appointment session where I mean appointment up to date. To me find out from Uncle Ben what is the next move. Then I mean
once a wire application on maybe appointment system next week. Almost see my appointment, my application, not that no. To me, I almost send you my email. To wire application, very likely some send you email. What the area, but from next week, also maybe Mama will be.
Oh, okay. I mean that's
yes,
that's okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Yo, many men so say good morning, Auntie, and good morning, Uncle Ben. Or say I have certificate of application and I did use it to apply for a job, but the company said because I use a certificate of application to apply, they are consulting the Home Office if I am allowed to work. I want to know if it will affect my application because I haven't gotten a decision yet. Is it it's only the certificate of application that I have? Into Uncle Ben Pacho.
Well, first of all, no certificate of application, no amount permission say yeah, Juma. Yeah, true. So ubit me the actual employer. And once ubit me the actual employer, no Home Office at says ubit me a Juma. Yes, employer be our responsibility. So be by Juma and you'll be a year Juma or da. I also checks with the Home Office.
Yes.
Now employers checking service. Now I'm confirm was a any payer ujini or home crime say obey Juma and tisa why an nipa no air committee offense. Bet me a fine.
Okay, you. Obeti, mama no answer ho. Yo, I see when so say I just lodged my first fee waiver application and would like clarification on how it works. Okay, the Guardian says this from 4th of January 2019, fee waiver requests are to be made using the digital, that's online, request form and submitting the request online. The relevant application for leave to remain form can also be accessed online and completed at the same time. This online form can then be exited and stored until the outcome of the fee waiver request. When the outcome of the fee waiver request has been received, this online when the outcome of the fee waiver request has been received online, okay. However, this doesn't seem right to me. All I've done is complete the online fee waiver. If accepted, do I have to start a new application, input the reference, any practical guidance on how this work appreciated if it's the fee waiver is accepted or rejected? Uncle Ben, we dey watch mu ye but
as soon as see we apply for fee waiver and a fee waiver now we apply no online and once online no now sometimes no make us upload the documents and I will be pushed to our call. Your decision now I have one of two, either say the amount code and I am found out until so tia. But your decision now over 10 working days refuse 10 working days I was on your application no tia. So visa no we are covered under paragraph 39E of the immigration rules, we are covered. And as 10 working days, and yet break in continuity of residence that be affected. So also near the amount over 10 working days or the application. Just say sure say within period na amount. So if I no more I was your application within the 10 working days na omakano.
Yo, Uncle Ben. Midasi. You know the phobia so ahumane so aha ye GN Radio Legal Hour with Bwf Solicitors. Hello, Colin Pacho. Free near Frozen.
Hello, man. Good morning. Pacho, me free Birmingham.
You, ma'am, Pacho.
Good morning. And today, good morning.
Good morning.
My community now. But that's a question. I was saying this question, man. But yes, spouse visa ni na time obabe so say obewi new ni 2.5 no person visa the requirement and na obe here because of buy and when ni kuno and almost dime back but the tenancy agreement ni we na extend in patch of so.
Okay, and Niku British ni and I'll be indefinite.
But I British ni.
And I'm on 2.5 years.
Your man you know 2.5.
And I'm anti.
Almost back but tenancy agreement no money be you know person who say it be a requirement in a can hold them there.
Oh, and I say almost baby. Baby almost no to me almost to on. Either say obi na dia ma won and anadamfo bi na ne maame na ne papa na ne nua bi no see o tena chen kakra. Okay, obetimi use letter no there. Tenancy agreement in your compulsory. Aye.
But it be a requirement.
So our 5-year route no so I was so much as 2.5 years at the man no within that period no the last 6 months no 2.5 years no munya 18,600 that is one. I was say or your English level 1 as say or your English A2 that is 2. I was so chere say or more atna within the period and the documents chere usually no on because 6 items for each year to 2.5 no bills, bank statements, gas, water, electricity, P60s, P45s, credit card statements, TV license, omuni tenancy agreement. Inti anonya we letter HSS omo baby nipa na momu to me proof HSS nipa no dan ye ne dia either so no tenancy and the mortgage no actual letter. And there be a copy of the passport account so no wa mo kwan so mo ntena ho. Ti no ne mandatory requirements no.
Okay, and but wait away, I mean, question. But okay. English says I'm the B2, no, what should be the expire and I say, Ukolina, this also saying should be
B1 and B2, you need B1 and our can
B2, no
B1, B1, yeah, they and B2, if A1, A2, B1,
B1, no, B1.
So when you should that the IAB be na home officer, chair, and ye in. Bet me you soon ebium.
Okay.
Why?
Me da si be
in answer that.
I'm sure I want to get
yeah, that's it.
Yes, sir, near you know. You go so I have say, so tro, sir, English test, nibbin so now, unni baby obey, bomodiana frame. Metumi ama o kwankyere mekyere o nioma onkwa omote bisa ne se ne obe ansa no okọ ya edem obenya obe pass intino ye pon na se we ne je ho se okotro sa nsọhwe na utumi frɛ ha na ye domina mama wa na wa contact me yo ye koso Uncle Ben we dey quick one obi say there ne or say when is the deadline to apply for a missing Ghanaian passport na the question will be no.
Well, deadline be anyhow. Or passport as soon as possible. And I was or apply for replacement.
Okay. And yeah, so patrowa wa Fred na so kakra ma me na me kan me question ba queen. I say good morning Uncle Ben. Good morning Manyeti. I say I have I've received an email from the Home Office to call them after I had made my EU settlement application. I live here in the UK. Now I want to rely on my uncle who was providing for me before I came to UK. I travel through the channel and I live with my uncle. He pays for everything in the house. The Home Office are now saying that I cannot use the online application. They say I am not a family member of mine, and online application is only for family members. I've got them at this. Hey, you say I've got them. As this is the only way to apply, how am I supposed to make the application? I was listening to you and you advised that we should make application before they finish their transition. Uncle Ben, minim say unya me correct there.
I'm question
is say okay. I say I received an email from the Home Office to call them after I had made my EU settlement application.
Yeah.
Okay. Near to us only say I live here in the UK. I'm now and now want to rely on my uncle who was providing for me when I came to the UK. Okay. I traveled through the channel, and I live with my uncle. He pays for everything in the house. Full stop. The Home Office are now saying that I cannot use the online application. They say I am not a family member and online application is only for family members. I've got them as this is the only way to apply. How am I supposed to make the application?
Oh, but yes, okay. And yeah, extended family member.
Okay.
I'm so what by UK? I'm so no Ghana no na yanka no hwe no.
Yes, BBC.
I was by UK ha. Enti all use online EU SS no e dey application. And I was sending an email so ontimi nye. And you also use paper application. Yes. So we have appendix EU now. We have EU1. A friend of purpose. Purpose near family members of EEA nationals and extended family members.
Okay.
And we are extended family member now. Person will apply under EU SS now. I was saying will be a friend specified document. Specified document here residence card.
Okay.
Onibi, and you also or you call online or print it from nani you soon no. Your friend EFM and other family member no. So our form no also use so I know you print it or failure now the documents account now the call. Okay, my question.
Okay. For the be no. Yes. Okay. Facebook fans, Mr. Mefao, because it's here, cat over to me assign Afrebium. Facebook for me, Damonina say, and then me bubodia, ye nyankoye, Docas Adom Yameshao, Richie Dogbe, say good morning, my senior lecturer and our host lady. God bless you, senior Dogbe, no. Alex Osei enso edi nama no atudwa ama mo questions bebre ewo ho mesra monshare mama Kenneth Kofi Oforiboaten so si good work say Ben number 1 ba Bwf Solicitors yo nice program Vicky Newton kuma ena eka well noted Manyeti Alex Osei na de baye Mary Chocho Kote so say Kote sorry say good morning Mary Yejo so yeah, Uncle, my next question, Uncle Ben, Patrick, my next question. I see, good morning, Uncle Ben. I think 2 weeks ago, you were given advice about the English and the life in the UK for indefinite leave to remain applications. Someone called and asked about discretionary leave and the 6-year route. I am not sure that I heard everything you said. And I am a parent and had a 10-year route for British child, and mine definitely will be due in 2 years' time. I want to prepare and apply for the license UK and apply for the license UK. I am not sure of study for the English. I understand that English is very difficult, so I want to prepare as much as I can. Thank you. Say a question would be so say statement no more, Uncle Ben.
Well, I mean, first of all, obisa question, sir, or cultural English now, and I say this or because our 2.5 10-year route, So be our 2.5 10-year route to be paragraph appendix FM now 4.2 no 4.5 So decision making requirements include English and life in UK. Enti I was so true English no. Omo true and last na me explain. I obi a man no 3 years no. Sa for no be why man 3 years but no akoye mistake no asa akoye 2.5 but because under the old discretionary policy no yama 3 years to qualify for indefinite and we hear English language test.
Okay, Uncle Ben. Yenu abe me yedas yenu abe me hen minim so your bow so be money dino hen Vlad ota eba yen so ye one of our top fans ne o see wetie program ya masisi akrawada ne pocket lawyer ama ono to me eboaboa vulnerable people la omunso omuhia mwa was a legal matters. Now the question there was, please, can a county council have a policy to block people with 2.5 and still have access to public funds? And whereas the city council policy is open to anyone with access to PF, PF minim they only give properties to people with indefinite or have no time limit. The person has 2 children under 10 and of which one they only give properties to people with indefinite or have no time limit. The person has 2 children under 10, of which one has a British passport and the other 2.5, all born in the UK. Thanks. Intinom Uncle Ben, me emso can housing asem. Ubetumi aboa.
Yes, it seems ebusia we mame and papa about British bako I kura 2.5. It seems mame and papa no kura 2.5. And it seems mama no recourse to public funds until to me and kojiska and I and kojedan. Last me explaining is council accommodation and public funds, housing association accommodation and your public funds. I just a council referral until dependent baby I want so call council and our housing association. The other part and say all difficulties with accommodation, a jumaye and a near money. You had no recourse at all. So, yeah, explain it's a case law now, Banon. And yeah, we are destitute in Kwa and it was a years out in the free so, but we are potentially destitute and as exceptional circumstances. Tell us home office reading to the future. So, with your present circumstances, no bit me, I are destitute. To say, any paying struggle, the first approach and it's a Obama home office, no recourse. However, cases be or council no betimi abo under section 17 accommodation no normal dey boa kola because a child in need and yet dey bia no mo ye sometimes no mbeka say no recourse advice o sekuyi enti the most appropriate circumstance and say obey no recourse and free so na wetimi claim dey also claim bia.
Okay. No, sir, can see, please, the person has access to public fund, but the council is
access to public funds, sir. And you're also called council, no?
Council is
no. Once our access to public funds, no. We are potentially homeless, and now we are homeless, sir. Council, no. I know, sir, councils be or sometimes I'm because I was on indefinite leave, but again, you know, where are we homeless, you know? Now, raise issues about the health and welfare. So, raise issues about the health and welfare. That's just under Section 17 on between accommodating either through the proper housing channels or through the parents and family unit or social services. Any of them should work.
Uncle Ben, thank you. Me who say a PF near public fund. I have to know the abbreviations in it. And then they make me question yo gusu ha akayembe 7 to 8 minutes I call. This is GN Radio Legal Hour with Bwf Solicitors. Ube to me afre and I say ube to me sending voice note yo. Uncle Ben, young question back could be so ewa ha. But before I make me sign esisubium. So ope say otro A1 A2 B1 na bomodia say unim baby obetumi aframe I can prepare you for that particular test enye den kra metro near okwa ne bebisa pepepepe na enye bibi eye den se ne aye nua be maka English test na ye den pa na enye den kra enye den unless say unim go and come and na ye den but enye den yo your question is say my wife is in London, I'm in Ghana. We have the customary marriage certificate and I will be applying for EUSS family permit this month from Ghana. Do I need to send the customary marriage certificate and the declaration to my wife in London for it to be authenticated by the Ghana High Commission in London, despite me doing the application in Ghana? Or I send it for the attestation in the UK only if we are getting a lawyer in London to help with application? Thank you, Uncle Ben.
Well, the answer is no. We are Ghana now because I don't know if free Ghana abano. So we use the customary marriage certificate. Wako Ministries of Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration. Omo buta no kama ewoso when you complete set for the application. Okay.
Me jide say obeti or tankra type bibi aba yo menia me mama so say please I am Italian and I have indefinite leave to remain under the EU settlement scheme. I was in EU family with 5 years residence before I got my Italian passport. I don't have card for the settlement, neither do I have permanent resident biometric. How can I apply for proof of settlement card? Uncle Ben.
Well, so we are Italian we have settlement card no. Issue BM mamo until we have application brow paper no now matro or status and also you're logged online anytime be a wow to me share okay juma no no card no but so when you EU ni now we have EU ni family member and an extended family member and on your mouth card now a biometric resident permit no.
Okay sanity yo yeah kuso ewa ha Pacho, obi fresh is here. Epic no MSS 1 or 2, so I don't know. You can call back. Obi any line is here. Yo, the time now is just about 4 minutes to the hour 11 o'clock. Na enchibia ye be sorry waha. Uncle Ben Pacho, my next question and so yeah. I say good morning, Uncle Ben and the host. I am EEA member and my wife's brother-in-law on a Ghanaian passport is stranded in Greece. Can we bring him to the UK on the extended family visa? The monies we've been sending him in Greece has been in someone else's name because in the law is unable to cash it himself. Uncle Ben, Bacho, will be question or no?
First of all, no, or the Nigeria Busiani ba into extended family member. Requirements no say what the obi extended family member eba. I was say depano a dependent or EU nino.
Yes.
Eso. And so you're dependent on the EU nino so not just say we say we show.
Yes.
So mobetimi explain say skano nipa no ho na ekwa. Possibly say otibaby I don't rent to the so mobetimi a chese say skana mode ko no ono ho na ekwa absolutely mobetimi apply na mode na ba ay possible pa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Say obeti odaso 8 yen. Yo nyodofo bin so ewa homa so hello mpacho ewa homa so ye fra se na aka se free.
Oh Probably I'll just ask the question again. Okay. Let me question is sir.
Bano osi ono wodien sisia.
Currently
Pacho minim sa otia.
Even Facebook line on your cry.
Minim niente ne phone no yesa no. Okay, main bonito fine. Or say obi a owo settle status na ode ne ba kra ne ye wo no wo Ghana ba ode na ba owo 2.5 wenya 18 years. Na ono ni owo settle status no nya no nka wo Zambrano na oyeye na sisi a wenya settle status and na say indefinite leave to remain no.
Yeah.
Intino obisa se ne ba na owo 2.5 sisi ano obetumi aye settle status under ye regulation ni bi e de amana na is it possible to do that ana
one friend I keke ana
keke mpatran
I need the same question I said bisano catch and say on from why
okay you
because you know first of all it doesn't make sense
okay
what no ba under there I know asetena be no what timi de ne ba no buy so akola no buy no na oni asetena sisi a wabetena ha 7 years into no under 18 ana mama na asetena ono ewo ni route a okọ mfa awofo no enti you know I'm so ya catch and so ne line nye kra yeah enti sakola no buy na ono abeje ne 2.5 ewo no ane we mu a ontimi switching co-parents especially ono amu no ya above 18 it's not possible why
you
okay
obeti you enti keke mpacho wa homa ne so a senior Uncle Ben acheche mu no but still nye a bit clearer to you ubetumi afreno after the program na on further why
okay ma
I'll rather prefer so obe freno na
okay
why because yemren so aso and
ye
pon sharp 11 sharp yemren aso
okay matter okay
bye yo Uncle Ben say emren ko obi so abaso but me pacho na me phone no last na info bi na afide ya pon Uncle Ben sorry pacho o ahoma so ye froze na o kase free
me pacho ya friend mana ya ibisa question ya ma me brother oye yi ni na sisi a omo be free mu o pese o ko fa ni wo fa ase ba but on sha se man no nya fi mo but afi na najuna ba so pese obo ano enti o pese o hu se e be possible na de no be ya obetimi de naba
obi a pese ode na busuani bia ba bia no ho kwan se obetimi de naba enti se ayeni nua also chese ni nua no ohwe no organ ehwe no yesika mane usually yesika mane anase o mane na duane na niam utua ni fees anase bibia o ye na hospital bills anase bi crowd to fee what is our niam ni nyina aboma obetimi de nipa na ba
enti se na aka 6 months na wonye bibia sha na afi na na bas na I too late na
well, cases no say for a period, a recent dependency, but let me try 6 months now. Why not?
Okay. Mate.
Why?
Yo, medasi.
Yes.
Okay then.
I'm sure. Bye.
That's okay.
Yo, Uncle Bram said, "Ne, ahana emrebe ma yen ho kwan na ye di adwumedi abedu. Enti no, Mr. O say, wo bibi last crowd, di be ma yen kra giant na afede me de advert na betu dwa na ya sorry ye na so ne.
Well, me share any bibi potting be. I'm saying a line. I'm Indian boy, you know. But the only thing I made to me, I can say, Mama share. Especially EU for no, especially omo tu kwan every kromo ha sabio omo akoche wo ho no sa break no nyina no mon document the enti a wontimi mba back sana time no so na wo koye application a ya ko country say wakoche wo baby amen no so akọ affect your application no enti enuanom na edofo nyame ya adom a na watwe say na ye be say you hope say by then no your line will be better.
Yes, I hope so too. Yo, Uncle Ben, that's it. Yo, any anomni adofo etiefo ahana yedi dwumedi beba ewie dwumedi a wuti Bwf Solicitors legal hour GN radio na oti ye no yen papa oti ye nenkan lawyer kese ba ko pe a ye nyina ye friend no say Uncle Ben. Oni omo senior partner Bwf Solicitors. Na say o hwehwe Bwf Solicitors for Ichira kwan a bomodian na call 4th floor Anna House 214 to 218 High Road 7 Sisters. London North N154NP. Bomodiana fatsa address no to Anamu. And I said this 49 no number say the 2 phones so now the Bwf Solicitors for now they are 2 so 0208 493 7340. Messan is subium 0208 493-7340. Na me enhu hia papa se utro now the two na se ofre lawyers are kentin kan beye enum ni nsia ene wo ho se lawyer Bernard na opese one ne kasa ebe ma ho kwan se lawyer Eunice eno nso wo ho nom oya de pa ono na ohwehwe a ebe ma ho kwan anase lawyer Richard ono nso sa anase lawyer Francis ene lawyer Patrick ye was sisters bebre enso wo ho a okwa the reception ye be ma good reception ma wan kasa first instant na no otumi won say wasam ne nyina akra wedding kunim dada nti bomodia na ko hu omo wo Bwf Solicitors address 4th floor Anna House was 7 sisters bomodia na ko hu omo na fa wasam nyina ekomo omo ombedi ama kama na baby a omo ye ho ade pa ye ka kromu ha law ho nsema eye family law anase immigration ni immigration anase litigation ni dispute resolution omo ye ho ade papa anase ye ka Ghanaian law so ene ne ho practice nyina so saa na omo ye expert dodo na mobile Facebook so nyina nyame nhira mo Henvlang Naughty God richly bless you say ubomode na o share mani kwechichichi saa so na oba Facebook ne so a ebribia no a che ne saa amana kwechichi ye da munyina ase da se then next week the same time ye besan ehia wa hanam ye de edwumedi asan abrem monua ba mote menkan mediane manye na aten nyame nhyirahira obibia nyame nhyira mo na have a lovely weekend and so ewiane bo intino monchre ewiane se ode ne ho aba na mo nso mo be enjoy no nyame nhyira mo nyina edamase.
At Bwf Solicitors, we take pride in our client service. As a niche law practice, we are conscious of the demands of our clients. We always offer a friendly, listening ear and sympathetic attitude. We've worked with thousands of people all across the UK in all areas of personal legal services. We have received great feedback and reviews from our clients. We are located at 7 Sisters in Tottenham on the 4th floor of the Anna House, right on top of the Victoria Line train station for your utmost convenience. We have a friendly office and provide all of the refreshments necessary while you wait to see a lawyer. We are dedicated to our clients and have a successful record of serving our clients. Solicitors of England and Wales are of high quality and are bound by the highest professional standards. We are officers of the court and are bound by standards of integrity, competence and conduct as part of our responsibility to uphold rule of law. Our solicitors and lawyers care about your case and are committed to providing the best possible service to you in the most considerate and careful manner. We hold 2 Law Society quality marks. Law Society accreditation helps to demonstrate that we have attained the requisite standard in the area of law and have the requisite expertise. Bwf Solicitors, we're here to help you with your legal services when you need us. Bwf Solicitors, we take pride in our clients' service. As a niche law practice, we are conscious of the demands of our clients. We always offer a friendly, listening ear and sympathetic attitude. We've worked with thousands of people all across the UK in all areas of personal legal services. We have received great feedback and reviews from our clients. We are located at 7 Sisters in Tottenham on the 4th